Hello and welcome to our week ahead preview video. As we get closer to the Chinese New Year and with US participants back from their desks after a shortened week last week, focus may shift from the recent volatility in China onto upcoming risk events in the US. Now, the risk event of the week comes in the form of the FOMC rate decision, and very few are expecting them to hike again this time round, with focus instead falling upon any changes to forward guidance. Now, just as a note to our viewers, we are not expecting any press conference or any projections being released in this meeting. Elsewhere from the US, we have a reading of Q4 GDP, where analysts at Deutsche Bank are expecting a sharp slowdown, citing ongoing inventory correction. However, they do expect growth to pick up fairly shortly. Across the pond in Europe, we have a Q4 reading of GDP from the UK, as well as data released from mainland Europe in the form of inflation readings from Germany, both regional and national, and from the Eurozone itself. In terms of other central banks, we have rate decisions from Russia, New Zealand and Japan. Now, New Zealand is of particular interest because it has been affected by the slump in commodities. Likewise with Russia, they've been affected by the rout in oil markets, with last week we saw the ruble falling to record lows against the US dollar. Now, having a look at the BOJ, and it could be interesting because we did see some source reports last week on Friday out of Nikkei saying that the BOJ may expand monetary policy. However, the BOJ Governor Kuroda has poured some cold water on this, saying that they are likely to hit their 2% inflation target come the second half of this year. Elsewhere in markets, we have the continuation of earnings season, where earnings from the likes of Apple, Microsoft, Amazon and Facebook are all expected this week. Well, that's all from me. I wish you a successful trading week.